not more than 600,000 and 50 million. Okay, then note that one is not number one. Additional criteria of gross business income not exceeding 50 million to be classified as SME. Lepas tu, the Inland Revenue Board indicated in their practice, note that a company which does not have gross business income but only derive non-business income would not be eligible to be treated as an SME. Okay, the entire chargeable income will be taxed at 25% tax rate. Okay, so selain daripada syarat yang gross income not more than 50 million. Okay, syarat kedua, this SME pun kena ada business income from business sources. Okay, kalau SME ni tak ada business sources, dia ada income from the other sources, okay, so still income dia kena charge at 25%. So untuk melayakkan dia dapat tax of 17% first, okay, first awak kena tahu lah dia SME, dia punya ordinary share capital is 2.5 million and less. Okay, syarat kedua, dia kena ada gross income not more than 50 million. Okay, gross income. Dan yang ketiga, dia kena ada business sources. Kalau dia tak ada business sources, okay, straight away all the income will be taxed at 24%. Okay, so itu syarat-syarat yang the condition. Okay, next kita nak tengok SME ke tak SME. The above preferential two-tier tax rate do not apply on an SME if 50% of the paid up capital in respect of ordinary share is owned directly or indirectly by a related company. Okay, awak ada SME. Okay, you are SME less than 2.5 million, but 50% of your ordinary share is owned by company, related company. Okay, ataupun 50% of the paid up capital in respect of the related company is directly or indirectly owned by SME. SME ni pula yang own more than 50% of ordinary share capital of company lain. Okay, yang ketiga, 50% of the paid up capital in respect of SME and related company indirectly or indirectly owned by another company. Okay, SME ni pula ada pula another company yang own dia orang punya ordinary share capital. Okay, so this, okay, lepas tu kalau awak tengok paid up capital, okay, a related company means a company which has a paid up capital in respect of ordinary share of more than 2.5 million at the beginning of the basis period for year of assessment. Okay, so related tadi kita cerita, that one bukanlah SME. Maksudnya dia ada share capital more than 2.5 million, so dia bukan basically dia bukan SME. So the normal company own 50% of SME ordinary share capital, so that SME kita tak boleh kelaskan dia as SME. Okay, so boleh tengok example kat bawah tu, ada 3 company, ABC Sdn Bhd, DEF and GHI. Okay, so the paid up ordinary share capital at the beginning, okay, awal tahun, beginning of the basis year, for ABC is 3.0 million, DEF 2.0 million and GHI 1.0 million, 1.1 million. Okay, so kalau tengok pada ordinary share ni, yang mana satu SME?
DEF and GHI.
Okay, DEF and GHI. Kalau kita tengok first condition lah. Okay, owned by 10 individual shareholders. Okay, and DEF 5 individual shareholders and GHI ABC own dia. Okay, gross income for one or more sources for year of assessment 2021. Okay, ABC 55 million, DEF 45 million and GHI 40 million. Okay, so untuk syarat yang ni, yang mana satu pula yang akan qualify as SME? Okay, samalah kan DEF and GHI kan, sebab syarat untuk gross income mesti less than not more than 50 million. So untuk ABC memang dah out lah, sebab daripada awal lagi dia punya ordinary share capital more than 2.5 and syarat yang kedua gross income more than 50. Okay. Okay, but then okay, chargeable income for ABC 800,000, DF okay semua sama 800,000. Okay, but now okay, so kita tengok ABC. ABC this one is not SME. Terus awak tax rate at 24%. Okay, DEF. DEF ni okay, DEF kalau awak tengok ada 2 layer ni, this is apa SME, but GHI ni kenapa dia bukan SME? Kenapa dia terus tax at 24%? Tadi kita kata dia SME kan, ada 2 syarat dia SME kan. Tapi syarat yang seterusnya apa yang menyebabkan dia bukan SME? Ordinary share dia owned by other company. Yes. Ordinary share dia owned by other company, ABC. So 2 syarat tu dia dah fulfill, paid up capital. Okay, lepas tu gross income dia fulfill, but syarat ketiga dia owned by other company. So bila owned by other company, which this company directly, okay, this one kalau dia tak mention berapa persen, bila own ni means that 100% lah owned by ABC. So this one dia tak fulfill lah ownership dia ni. So that's why even awak ada 2 syarat SME but ada 1 syarat dia tak fulfill, so all of the income will be taxed at 24%. Okay, so follow tak zakat tu kelas?
Follow.
Okay, then ada notes kat bawah tu, DEF Sdn Bhd, okay, year assessment dia, financial year assessment year end 30 April increase its ordinary share capital on 9 September 2021 to 3 million by issuing 1 million ordinary share. Gross business income for the year end 30 April 2022 amounted to 48 million. Okay, chargeable income of the company for the year of assessment 2022 is 900,000. Okay, kelas. So apa status untuk DEF ni? Adakah dia masih lagi SME ke tak?
Tak.
Tak. Agree? Tak? Agree? Okay, jawapan belakang dia masih lagi SME. Sebab dia increase tu at the kat tengah-tengah, at the middle of the year. Okay, dia punya apa nak cakap? Dia punya increase tu dekat tengah-tengah sebab dia increase pada 9 September. Okay, kalau dia increase capital dia at 1st May, then masa tu lah yang dia akan dia bertukar status. Okay, syarat dia, awak kena tengok syarat dia kat situ. Paid up ordinary share capital at the beginning of basis period, at the beginning. So kalau dia buat perubahan dekat tengah-tengah tahun, so tahun depan yang akan baru bertukar status. Untuk tahun current year yang perubahan berlaku, that one masih lagi still SME. Okay, faham ke? Okay, so jawapan dia DEF Sdn Bhd is still an SME company for year assessment 2022 as its paid up ordinary share capital as at 1st May 2021 does not exceed 2.5 million and its gross business income does not exceed 50 million for year of assessment 2022. Okay, income tax payable for 2002 and 2003 based on the existing company income tax rate. Okay, so year assessment 2022 awak that one akan ikutlah dia punya SME status dia. Okay, faham ke? Okay, maksud untuk 2000 tahun seterusnya, untuk 2023 barulah dia akan charge at the tax rate of 24%. Faham ke kelas?
Faham.
Faham.
Alright. So lepas ni kalau awak dapat soalan, saya tak pasti untuk soalan-soalan yang awak buat untuk last time tu dah sampai tak tax rate. So kalau dah sampai soalan awak tu sampai tax rate, awak dah this one how to calculate for tax. Okay, soalan awak dalam quick quiz sampai total income. Tapi soalan kedua ni dah ada dah, textbook dah ada dah sampai first. Okay, so yang soalan untuk first yang kalau awak tengok JSB dia sampai aggregate income. Soalan kedua Samson sampai total income. Tapi soalan ketiga tax cost Sdn Bhd, okay, awak dah kena kira the first 600,000 at 17% and balance tu. Okay, this one yang apa yang kita belajar hari ni lah, first tax rates tu awak kena tengok. Okay, lepas tu tu saja yang ada. Buku ni tak aci kan, awak tak belajar lagi, dia suruh awak buat kan. But this one lah. Lepas ni, maksudnya lepas ni kalau awak dah dapat soalan on business, on company, actually awak dah boleh kira sampai tax paid. Okay. Okay, next on tax rebate. Okay, yang ni memang betul-betul baru effective from year assessment 2021. Tax rebate of up to 20,000 of operating or capital expenditure. Okay, previously there are no tax rebate for company. Lepas awak dapat total income, okay, untuk individu total income, tolak relief, awak baru sampai chargeable income. But for company, since there are no relief, no rebate, so itu yang apa yang awak kira sampai total income, then terus straight away you kira tax rate dan tak ada rebate. Okay, but this one kalau awak tengok from year assessment 2021 memang baru. Sangat-sangat baru Tax rebate up to 20,000 of operating or capital expenditure incurred may be granted for a period of 3 consecutive years from the year of assessment in which the company first commenced its operation. Okay, ini memang baru. So bila awak start, last time kita belajar yang whatever expenses incurred in pre-commencement dia akan jadi capital, kecuali ada satu satu je yang saya mention, that one is on recruiting and training. But okay, under 2021 there are new situation which you can deduct, okay, can be tax rebate for 3 years okay, tapi awak kena start from the company first commencement operation. Okay, for example, okay, there are 3 companies here, A, Sdn Bhd, B and C. Okay, so awak boleh tengok lah untuk ACE operating 25 and dia punya capital expenditure 3, so total up of 28, but they can get tax rebate of 20. Okay, B Sdn Bhd 12 for operating, 15 for capital expenditure, so 27, okay, still dapat tax rebate of 20. C pula operating the 10, capital expenditure 8, so the maximum tax rebate the company entitled is 18,000. Okay, so previously kita belajar tak ada tax rebate, but okay, this one memang totally new. And criteria for company claiming tax rebate. Okay, the tax rebate only apply to a company resident and incorporated in Malaysia which has a paid up capital in respect of ordinary share of not exceed 2.5 million. Okay, maksudnya this is only for SME at the beginning of the basis year for assessment. Okay, which has a gross income from sources or sources consisting of business not exceeding 50 million. Okay, which has commenced operation from 1st July 2020 to 31st December 2021. Okay, so kalau tengok this is also period of COVID kan. Okay, so tax rebate ni only for SME company. Okay, dan dia mesti bermula from July 2020 to 31st December 2021. Where in the year of assessment, the company failed to fulfill the above condition or any condition, additional condition to be gazetted by way of the order. By way of an order, the amount of rebate shall not be granted for the year of assessment in which the failure occurs and in the subsequent years of assessment. Okay, so kalau tak memenuhi salah satu pun, dia tak dapat lah, tak layak lah to get the tax rebate ni. Okay, so 3 consecutive year of assessment, assume D, Sdn Bhd, fulfill the above condition, commence on its operation on 1st July 2020 and close its account to 31st December 2020. The SB is not entitled for any tax rebate for year assessment 2020 as amendment. Okay. Okay, untuk 2020 dia tak layak sebab dia dah close account on 2020. So this one is effective only 2021. Means kalau lah dia nak juga this tax rebate, dia kena close account dia in 2021. Okay, the tax rebate is only given to the SB for the balance of 3 consecutive year, which is 2021, 2022. Okay, so no tax rebate for the assessment 2023. Okay, faham ke? Okay, so untuk dia melayakkan dapat rebate the SB should close its first accounting date ending in year 2021 in order to be eligible for tax rebates from 2021 to 2023. Okay, if the SB close the accounts from 1st July 2020 to 31st January 2021, which constitute the basis for the assessment 2021, okay, the company would be eligible for tax rebate for 2021, 2022 and 2023. Okay, so masih layak dengan syarat awak kena tutup assessment 2021 sebab this tax rebate effective from assessment 2021. Okay, walaupun awak punya business start from 2020. Okay. Next, tax treatment of excess tax rebate. Where the amount of tax rebate exceed the income tax charge for the year, any year of assessment, the excess shall not be paid to the company or to be available as credit to set off the taxability of company that year of assessment or any subsequent year. Okay, so kalau ada terlebih of tax rebate ni, dia tak akan carry ke tahun depan Okay, so normally last time kalau lah okay, last time kalau dulu lah kalau ada tax rebate, so the taxpayer will get refund, tax refund, but in this situation no tax refund. Okay, any question class? Any question? Follow? Follow So daripada sinilah sebenarnya yang awak kena tengok tax rate of the company, and then Miss sekarang ni awak dah boleh siapkan the full set of soalan tax company. Okay, so class awak dah sampai ke mana Awak dah sampai mana? Awak punya quiz sampai mana? Mesti semua orang tak sama antara satu sama lain ni. So saya nak awak habiskan awak punya quiz dan juga awak punya test kit. Okay, dan saya nak okay, so saya bagi awak satu extra soalan sebab soalan-soalan yang awak ada tu ada jawapan kan. So mesti awak senang hati je buat. Okay, saya nak bagi awak satu soalan yang tak ada jawapan, awak kena test lah, awak kena ni lah Alright, kelas saya dah hantarkan satu soalan yang tanpa jawapan. Awak boleh test lah. Awak boleh try buat sama ada awak faham ke tak faham. Okay. So kelas okay. So awak nak buat yang mana dulu sekarang? Nak habiskan quick quiz ke? Nak buat pre-test ke? Nak buat kit ke nak buat soalan saya bagi?
Quick quiz.
Quick quiz dulu. Quick quiz tak siap. Okay, boleh proceed dengan quick quiz awak. Okay, then awak akan continue dengan soalan exercise saya bagi. Tak kisahlah kelas, by the time minggu depan start kelas, minggu depan kelas hari Isnin, means that soalan saya bagi tu awak dah try. Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
Boleh, madam.
Okay. So kalau macam tu saya bagi awak off sekarang awal, so awak boleh proceed lah dengan segala-gala tu. Boleh?
Boleh.
Okay. So kita jumpa hari Isnin.